it, man. We're here in Valley Stream, New York, papi. That's right. We're here working, changing this water main. So let me show you guys. Guys, check their out. Listen, the work gotta get done, but somebody gotta do it, and let that be us. So they called us because they have no water in the house, and also it was leaking water into the foundation. And nevertheless, we found out they have a busted water line. So they called us. So guys, actually, the connection we have to go to is right on the other side of this wall, where it's in the basement, right where they're breaking up. And also, we gotta go all the way to this corner over here, which this is the curb. Technically, the curb is over there, but the utility company said that they'll bring it all the way to this point. So we're gonna do a trench from here, roughly about 4 feet down, all the way across, and we're gonna run a new copper line. It's copper, but it's not the type of copper you buy normally at your Home Depot. It's copper K. So guys, stay tuned, because this one's for the books. And just so you know, copper K, all that means it's just a thicker wall of copper. So it's a heavy duty copper. So guys, stay tuned, because I can't wait to show you guys what's involved and get this shit done by the papi himself. Wepa!